state briefly the difference between fact issue and relevant fact. Ans. Expression fact issue has been defined under Section 3 of Indian Evidence Act as: the expression fact issue means and includes any fact from which, either by itself or in connection with other facts, the existence, non-existence, nature or extent of any right, liability or disability, asserted or denied in any suit or proceedings necessarily follows. Explanation: whenever, under the provisions of the law for the time being in force relating to civil procedure, any court records an issue of fact, facts asserted or denied in the answer to such issue is a fact in issue. So fact in issue are those facts which are alleged by one party and denied by other in the proceedings before the court or main controversy between parties which is to be adjudicated upon. Two things are relevant for determining whether a fact is an issue or not. I. The fact should be in dispute between the parties. 2. The fact should touch the question of right or liability. A is accused of the murder of B. At this trial the following fact may be in issue, viz. I. That A caused B's death. 2. That A intended to cause B's death. 3. That A had received grave and sudden provocation from B. 4. That A, at the time of doing the act which caused B's death, was by reason of unsoundness of mind, incapable of knowing its nature. The Act defines the terms fact and relevant separately. Section 3 defines fact as follows. Fact means and includes I. Anything, state of things, or relation of things, capable of being perceived by the senses, physical fact. 2. Any mental condition of which any person is conscious, psychological facts. Relevant facts. Section 3 defines the word relevant as follows. One fact is said to be relevant to another whence one is connected with the other in at any of the ways referred to in the provisions of this Act relating to the relevancy of facts. The word relevant means that any two facts to which it is applied are so related to each other that according to the common course of events, one, either taken by itself or in connection with other facts, proves or renders probable the past, present or existence or non-existence of the other. In short, relevant facts are facts so connected with each other as to prove or disprove the facts in issue. Relevant facts are not themselves issue, but are foundations of inference regarding them. This Act does not give any definition of the word relevant. It only lays down that a fact becomes relevant only when it is connected relevancy of facts. A fact, in order to be a relevant fact, must be connected with the facts in issue or with any other relevant fact in any of the ways referred to in sections 5 to 55. A fact not so connected is not relevant fact.